Okay, this is gonna be a complete tutorial for Replit, how you can use it. I've pretty much mastered it. So let's begin this video. So once you create a Replit account, it should welcome you like this on the home screen. And it's very simple. The UI is very simple. All you have are these options to create an app, to import code or design, and we're gonna go over each one. If you click on create an app, it's just gonna hop you over to the welcome screen. Now let's proceed to the second one, which is gonna be importing code or a design. Once you click on that, it's gonna give you an option to migrate data, code, designs from other apps into Replit, and you can use GitHub, Figma, both zip files. You can also upload zip files, Bitbucket, Lovable, and Vercel. So here, if you have a project ready or some code ready and you want to integrate it into Replit, then feel free to do so. You can click on whichever platform your project is on, and then it's gonna ask you to connect your accounts in order to integrate it into Replit. Okay, so let's say that you are beginning from scratch here. Let's just walk you over the other tabs which we have here to the left. If you click on apps, you will be able to locate all of your repos or apps as they call them now. And again, if you click on create, it's just gonna hop you over to the home page. So here you can track all of your projects, and we can create multiple depending on our billing and our subscription. If you click on published apps, it's going to show you the apps which are not only being worked on but have been published, and also it's going to display the published status here. As for the integrations, once you click on integrations, you can go and sign into all of these third-party connectors such as Agent Mail, Asana. You have Discord, you have GitHub, Notion, OneDrive. So whichever one you want to sign into, if you use them. Again, like I said, you will just click on sign in and it's going to take you to that specific page where you can log into your account. And also you have MCP servers for Replit Agent, which is going to be allowing Replit Agent to view and rapidly build your designs from Figma. So this is going to be the integrations tab, a very quick overview, and you have the usage. Basically here, all you will see is your usage of your credits, so how many credits you have used, and the developer frameworks. You have the different languages which you can use to create a website or app with. You have Python, you have HTML, Node.js, and if you want to use a specific programming language, you will click on create. Then you have templates here and you can choose the template and then click on create app. So let's begin creating our website or app. So I'm gonna click on create app. This is gonna be a very simple, you just put the prompt in and then it's gonna generate the app or website. So here, let's see what we are trying to build. So if you click on web app here at the bottom, it's going to show you the other options as well. So you can either build a website, you can build a mobile app, you can build a data app, a 3D game, an automation, or you can start from scratch. So here, let's just do a web app as an example. And you have this option, which I want to pay attention to. It's going to be fast. So basically fast mode is going to create a quick version of your app with key features. So here, this is the prompt that I've given it. Create me a website that calculates euro to USD conversion. I'm going to type very simple as well. And here you can also choose the theme. So you have options of auto theme, or if you like some different color schemes, you can do it like this. So I kind of like the nomad theme, so I'm just gonna do that one. And this is gonna be for the app. As for the design here, you can just create a design as well by providing the prompt. But let's say that we wanna begin building this. All you need to do is to click on, also you have these options for the agent tools. You can read more about it. but all you need to do is to click on start, and let's see what it begins doing for us. So this is going to be completely automated. The workspace is going to be loading. You have the preview here. It's going to show you what it's currently going to be working on. And basically, once your app has been or is ready, you will click on publish. So it's going to tell us that it's currently working. It's configured the start application to run whatever, run npm run dev, architecting the system, make test, iterate. You can give it extra prompts for this. And currently it's telling us what it's doing. I will build a simple Euro to USD currency converter application. It will feature a clean interface for entering amounts and viewing the result, and I'll also include a conversion history feature to track recent calculations. All right, so that seems good to me. So let's just leave it to do its work. Here, if you click on it, it's gonna show you what it has created, what it has executed, edited, so on and so forth. So if you would like to find that out, you can do so from this field. Okay, so it's telling us that it's gonna be ready soon. Here, if you want to invite people to or collaborators to your project, you can just click on the person itself and you can type their name or email address in this field. So for example, whatever, and it's also gonna make them pop up, and you can just click on invite in order to invite those people. Sorry, I'm just gonna have some water. Okay, so we can proceed. Now, once our project is ready, you can click on publish, and it's gonna begin publishing it. I'm just gonna click on OK, and here you have you can make it either public or private, and it's gonna show you this is gonna be your URL or domain, and also you can add a custom domain here, which we're gonna talk about later. I also have separate videos for that, but basically it's gonna look like this. You can enable it or not, the made with Replit badge, because you have a subscription, because I have a subscription. Okay, so once it looks like this, you can successfully publish your website, and it's gonna look like this. So first there's gonna be the provision, then there's gonna be the security scan, the build, the bundle, and also promote. It might take some time in order for this website to become live, but you will be patient. Here it's gonna display all of the info which is currently being generated. And if the website is simple enough, it's gonna be rather fast. Here, like I said, it's gonna show you the process, and we just wanna finish all of these steps. So 5 steps. Currently we are on step number 4, and once we hit the promote section here, then your project will be live. So I'm just gonna pause and come back once this is ready. And boom, not like it took like 30 seconds after I paused, and it's ready. Here it's gonna show you the domain. You can connect a new domain or buy a domain, and basically it's gonna show you that you just publish this. If you click on it to open it up, this is what it did for me. It calculates Euro to USD, so I'm just gonna do 20, boom, convert now. And it's as simple as that. It's super handy, it's super cool, and that's basically how it works. It is a very good software. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.